So practice action number 8 for our 8 steps to jazz piano improvisation. This is where it all comes together. Now we're going to, use our boulders, our chord tones, rhythm, altering the rhythm, comping, and now we're going to be bringing in our enclosures to get a little bit more of that jazz sound and that jazz flavor. All right, let me play it along with the metronome first at 80 beats per minute, then we'll move on to the iReal Pro at 100 beats per minute. Here we go. Great job. Now let's add in our iReal Pro and play along with that. Here we go. Awesome job. So remember, don't worry if you make a little bit of a mistake here and there. Okay, that's perfectly natural, right? I even make mistakes now and again on some of this stuff. The point though is you want to keep going. You have to remember that mistakes are going to happen, especially when it comes to improvisation, right? So take it with a grain of salt, take it easy, don't go too hard on yourself, just keep trying. Slow it down if you need to. Practice it in sections, right? But you can absolutely do this. Now, utilizing the tools that we've done in this 8-step process, now you can go ahead and take these tools and improvise over standard after standard after standard, right? I would suggest that you take a look at common standards. Maybe you try working over the first 8 measures of Misty. Maybe you try working the first 8 measures of All the Things You Are, right? So take standards that you know, that you love, and try improvising over them. Just a few measures, maybe 4 measures, maybe 8 measures. Utilize this approach. You do it a few more times over a few more standards. You're going to find that you're going to naturally start to branch off and do your own stuff. Now, if you really want to dive into improvisation more, take a look at my Confident Improviser program. It goes through improvising over jazz, over blues, over funk, over rock. It goes through showing you all these different rhythms, all of these different scales, giving you different licks, different ways of putting these all together, creating your own, making variations, backing tracks. There's also more advanced stuff. So we have like the beginner side of things and then the more advanced side of things. So if you're interested in improvisation, the Confident Improviser program is a fantastic next step for you. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next mini lesson.